Hi, welcome to my another video today. I will help you choose the 5 best edible printers on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches and I am try to list those based on price, quality, and more. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting number 1, HP OfficeJet 250 All-in-One Portable Printer. The HP OfficeJet 250 All-in-One Portable Printer is a legitimate edible printer. This all-in-one portable printer has Bluetooth smart technology and Wi-Fi Direct, which doesn't require a network, and wireless capability, which can be perfect for mobile and on-the-go users. The sleek, compact design of this edible printer allows for easy storage. It has flexible power options that let you charge in the car, office, and of course, at home. That is just pure convenience. Furthermore, its long-lasting battery to ensure that you will not be charging the printer multiple times a day. This edible printer uses HP's thermal inkjet printing technology and is compatible with a great number of operating systems, so there's no need to worry even if you're using a different operating system, as it is undoubtedly supported by this printer. It has a duty cycle of up to 500 pages, which means you can print up to 500 edible photos using a standard edible ink cartridge. This edible printer also has duplex printing, which means you can print on both sides of the paper at once. Its power-saving capability makes sure that it will not weigh heavy on your electricity bill. The HP OfficeJet 250 edible printer is best for people who regularly decorate their food with edible printed designs. At number 2, Canon PIXMA 96820 Wireless Business Printer. The Canon PIXMA 96820 Wireless Business Printer is a highly functional edible printer ideal for food design business owners. This edible printer prints around 10.4 colored images per minute, a speedy turnaround time that is very helpful for fast-paced edible printing businesses. This edible printer uses fine print head technology that can be combined with select edible papers to produce sharp, beautiful, edible designs that are sure to captivate your customers. The Auto Power On feature automatically powers up the edible printer whenever you send a photo or document to be printed, which can be very convenient as you don't have to come to the printer and manually turn the power on. The Quiet Mode feature allows you to print anytime without worrying about disturbing your customers. The Canon PIXMA 96820 has AirPrint functionally, which exclusive supports Apple products, and Google Cloud Print functionality, which lets you print from any Cloud Print-aware application on any device in the network cloud to any printer. That means you can print from anywhere as long as you have internet. The Canon PIXMA 96820 edible printer is recommended for food design printing business owners that want a highly functional, top-of-the-line edible printer. At number 3, Brother Inkjet Printer MFC J985DW. The Brother Inkjet Printer MFC J985DW comes with inkvestment cartridges, which can be a cost-effective solution for budget edible printing. Its business-capable features include duplex printing, a feature that allows you to print on both sides of the paper at once, up to 20-sheet automatic document feeder, which ensures continuous, uninterrupted printing to maximize your edible printing outputs, and wireless and mobile connectivity suitable for those who print out of their smartphones. This edible printer has a 2.7-inch touchscreen display for easy feature navigation and a compact design that fits most spaces. It also has cloud service support that will let you print from cloud storages such as Google Drive, OneNote, OneDrive, and Dropbox. The Brother Inkjet Printer MFC J985DW also has an ink save mode feature, which allows you to save a considerable amount of edible ink, which is very convenient especially if you're in the food design printing business. This edible printer works well with most known edible ink and paper brands and supports most operating systems. At number 4, Epson Expression ET2650 EcoTank All-in-One Printer. The Epson Expression ET2650 EcoTank All-in-One Printer offers cartridge-free printing with easy-to-fill, supersized ink tanks compatible with edible printing. The supersized ink tank can store vast amounts of edible ink equivalent to about 20 cartridges, which is absolutely convenient for everybody as it lessens refill instances. This edible printer has wireless connectivity feature fit for mobile users and a 1.44-inch display and a built-in card slot, which allows you to print your designs using removable SD cards. It also uses a micro-piezo inkjet technology which produces crisp, superior quality images. The Epson Expression ET2650 EcoTank All-in-One Printer is suitable for both at-home food design hobbyists and food design business owners. This edible printer supports most operating systems but works best with Windows and Mac. It is also compatible with a lot of known edible ink and paper brands. At number 5, Lexmark Color Single Function Laser Printer. The Lexmark Color Single Function Laser Printer is a robust, efficient printer that yields great photo printing results. Some people might get turned off when reading the term single function, but do not let that term fool you. The term single function only means that this printer is solely made for printing and doesn't have any other functionalities such as scanning and fax, like what the others printers in this list have, but it doesn't make this edible printer the least among this list of edible printers. This printer's Pantone calibration feature makes it a superb edible printer, especially for printing 3D images. It also has built-in Wi-Fi, which lets you connect with AirPrint, Google Cloud Print, and Mopria on any network with existing Wi-Fi access. Furthermore, this printer uses the Lexmark mobile print technology, which is really convenient for mobile users. The Lexmark Color Single Function Laser Printer has energy management features which significantly reduce power consumption regardless of whether the device is active or in sleep mode. This printer is made of a steel frame, long-life imaging system with a sturdy paper feeding system that dependably handles diverse media types.
So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.